Hi guys, good morning. We are here at the shipper, pick up a new load again. We arrived here a little early to skip the bad traffic around here in this city. So our appointment is 10 o'clock. So we are here already like 2 hours. The early we get loaded, the better. I have my breakfast done and full tummy now. And I'm enjoying now my walking. 1 mile of walking is good enough if you do it every day. I think I walk more than a mile, but I have to do it more because I'm not every day walking a mile though. That was good. Armpit is sweating. Here. Picked up the load and heading highway.
We're ready to go.
We're ready to go. Eating nuts. Nuts a day, pimples will follow. Do you believe, guys, that nuts can cause pimples? Or because I have this a lots of pimples because I'm too much eating of fried chicken. It's mixed together almond nuts, hazelnuts, walnut, and raisin. Because when you eat it together, this raisin, it gives you sweetness, taste. We are stopping for a moment to have a mandatory break. And ito, I'm walking to the store. I need my hubby a roast beef sandwich. On top is mustard, pickled cucumber, tomato, onions, natural cheese, and sourdough bread. Yum! It looks like it was raining here. Most of the time, if I pass here, these bushes here, it's dry. We are stopping now, guys, and I'm going to cross the street. Hurry up, hurry up. There are lots of cars. And I'm here now in my favorite hangout area. Yeah, nakapatong pa yung paa ko. We are stopping here because the weather is good if nighttime. Yeah, I'm wearing a cardigan now, coat, because a little bit chilly. It's already 7 o'clock and I just sit down there for a few minutes. I already did cross the street and see you next time, guys. Good night, everyone. Bye.